An effective framework to use when creating a customer value ladder for your commercial cleaning business is the ascending transaction model, or ATM for short. The ATM is designed to provide 4 different offers with a specific purpose: gifts, services for prospects, core service offering, and service for clients. An ATM creates an ecosystem of offers for your commercial cleaning business. It takes your ideal customer on a journey from not knowing your business at all to becoming a long-term client. Gifts are how you draw prospective customers into your ecosystem. Creating valuable content on social media is a great way to provide gifts for your prospective customers. Services for prospects are services that your ideal customer wants to try without committing too much time or money. Ebooks, video tutorials are good examples of free service for prospects. Core service offering is the main focus of your business. A good example of a core service offering is providing daily office cleaning on a 12-month contract. Services for clients are services that you sell to clients who have already bought your core service offering. Offering a bundled service like daily office cleaning, monthly window cleaning, quarterly deep clean, and waste management are great options